Live from Snoop Dogg's compound in the city of Inglewood, this is all about the Big Three. Welcome back to All About the Big Three, brought to you by our official new proud sponsor and partner, Dherbs. Now, speaking of Dherbs, the CEO and founder, sitting right here to my right, his name is A.D. Dolphin. So proud to welcome you to the Big Three, man. Thank you so much for being a partner and a sponsor for our 2021 season, Mr. A.D. Dolphin. How you feeling?
I'm happy to be here.
A.D., I also hear that you're going to be working with Power.
Yes.
They're a former Big Three champion team. They got the leadership of Nancy Lieberman. You got Big Baby Davis. You got Katino Mobley. But Dherbs and A.D. Dolphin, how are you going to work specifically with these players to make them better and a better team?
Well, like I mentioned before, is that what you put into your body is so important. When you do the Dherbs full body cleanse, you're talking about weight loss between 10 to 30 pounds, a huge boost in energy, stronger immune system. You have clearer thoughts. You'll be able to focus a lot better. I just really feel like this is going to give them the edge that they need to get that championship this year.
And if they do get that championship this year, you're gonna have the entire Big Three on Dherbs. I can guarantee you that.
But yeah, I'm definitely excited to be here. The Big Three is amazing. Like I said, I'm happy to be here.
We're happy to have you.
There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a CEO and founder of Dherbs. They're our official partner and sponsor for the 2021 season of the Big Three. I'm your host, Tattoo. This is all about the Big Three.